guys, so today's video is going to be on how to make your own custom t-shirt. In the last two videos here on my YouTube channel, I showed you guys how to make custom mugs. I showed you guys two different methods, and I've been getting so many comments and messages from you guys that you really enjoyed the video. But not only that, you were able to make custom mugs as a gift for friends and family, but also you were able to create another side hustle for yourself. So this video, I'm going to show you how I place images on my t-shirt and sell them to people. This can actually be another side hustle for anybody that's interested in doing it or just want to make it for personal use. But other than that, let's get started.
Alright guys, so for this tutorial, you're going to need some heat transfer paper. One of the heat transfer paper I have is by Avery. It is for a light colored fabric. It's also for inkjet printer, and they also have it for laser. I'm going to link them down below. I also have another heat transfer paper that I use. I'm also going to link that down below in case you guys want to check it out. It's good for stretch. Then I have my white t-shirt that I got from Michaels. Moving on, I got custom work done. So I'm really excited about this image because it's basically me but an animated version. So next what I'm going to do is take my heat transfer paper and put it into my printer. This is my HP Envy 5010. I absolutely love it. It's very cost efficient when it comes to ink, and it prints out really great. So this is what my image is looking like so far. I do have a Cricut, you guys, but I'm not going to use it today. I am going to be using it in another video. So for those of you who don't have a Cricut, let's go take our scissors and cut out our image by hand. So I'm just cutting around my image, leaving a little bit of white space, and I'm going to place that image on top of my t-shirt. So you can use an iron, but I happen to have an 8-in-1 heat press machine. It actually can heat press 8 different types of things and all into one, right? So it's amazing. So this is the image. It is a pillable type of heat transfer, so you can just peel it off from the front and then just place it on top of the t-shirt. But before I do that, I am going to press my t-shirt to make sure everything is all nice and ironed down before I put down my image. So now that I have it like that, I'm going to take my image and place it in the center. And usually when I place my image on top of the t-shirt, I usually do about 4 inches below the neckline, and that seems to be like the perfect spot. You want to make sure you take your transparent paper and place it on top of the image to protect the image from the heat, and then just press down with your iron or your heat press machine. Let it stay for a few seconds and then lift it up, and then you can start pulling back that paper on top, and you can see how nice and vibrant the image is once you apply heat. And once you do that, you are pretty much done, you guys. Super easy to do. I love the way it came out, super vibrant. I even washed this image and it still looked nice and vibrant, just like you see here in this video. So make sure you guys check out the description of this video, because I'm going to list all the products down below. Whether you have an inkjet or a laser printer, you'll be able to do this project at home with your home printer.
Hey guys, so that is pretty much it for this tutorial. It is super easy to do. I have been able to make crew necks, t-shirts, tank tops. I've done so many fun things using heat transfer paper, and this is just not even the only project. I really want to show you guys the other projects I've done that I think you're going to really enjoy. But if that's something you want to see, let me know in the comments down below. But other than that, this is a really quick and easy process. There's so much you can do with heat transfer paper, and I would love to share that with you guys. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below, and I'll see you next week for a new video.